Alright, so we got to work again. You copyright music. I don't have to worry about that. Although, subtitles, where the fuck are you at? Because I need my subtitles. Because it's surprisingly not in audio. You would think it is. It's not here either. Let's try this again.
Very small couple of hours.
Something tells me it's gonna be more than that.
You think there's a doctor in this? I can tell you I'm not the yesterday's grouses. That's why you'll make a great assistant. Very well. I'll hit the facts on the table. This house has a vermin problem. A bad one. They've already messed up the cooling pumps and the power generators of a power plant. And the pensioner inside is starting to feel the band around his head tighten. The situation needs to be fixed before the plant blows up. And we all disappear like a fart in Sahara.
Trying my best to keep up with this. Fix the coolant pumps and the power generators, otherwise the power plant won't flow.
But don't you worry. I've left you clear instructions. You'll catch the end of the thread before I go to my vacation. The words on the task board here can do later. You have done.
Vacation? Right.
Yes, no one's gonna cancel my holiday or seat's gonna rattle. But don't worry at all. You'll take care of it and soon this grass is gonna be last winter's snow. You better go now, so you don't have to run with your head as your third leg. The door in the back leads to the plant.
The door in the back. That's great. Thank you, Ati.
So we can do this.
Yep. Burn the trash. Throw it in the fire.
Before we do that, I know we all had some questions about what this way is. Cool. Mod. Good mod, bad mod, mod. MM efficiency, mod. Oh. Cleanse the merry-go-rounds.
This place makes me nauseous.
Oh. Really? Nauseous?
Power. How do you think it got down here?
The world may never know. Oh. I definitely thought I died. It was continuously falling. Nope. That was not the case.
Why is kid stuff always so creepy?
Because it's kid stuff. Kids don't know that shit is creepy yet, but they'll learn in due time. Finally, I didn't want to spoil it, but we get the evasion power. Okay, let's not just fuck around with it. What the fuck? I literally said we're not going to fuck around with it. And it's like basically a mini flight. Oh. Me and the horse are now friends. Friendly horse.
Keep up with me now.
So it makes our parkour skills even better. So, everyone knows I'm going to be a happy camper about that, because who doesn't love parkour in video games? Parkour video game? When? I have ideas for one, but it's going to be a long ways off because it's a multiplayer game. I know. That's an interesting combination. And I have to see if anyone on the team would even want to work on something like that. Assuming that we do well enough where I get to make another project and not just apply to a different company. Because while being in charge is kind of cool, I have to make sure that this is viable. Ati.
What are you trying? I'm trying to talk! I'm trying the pyramid. The what? The pyramid. What's a pyramid? A black pyramid. It's an astral plane. Airplane? Astral plane. It's big, white, and empty. Or is it?
Dum dum dum.
It's a weird, crazy alien dimension. The white goes on forever. You can get lost in all that white and never find your way back home. I miss my home.
I don't like the dots for eyebrows. I think that's the worst part of the design. Because not even Courtney has like short eyebrows like that. Like hers are average length, I guess. Also, when we get to control plane, I have to see if we can upgrade the dash or not. Again, don't know if this is the right way to go or if this is the wrong way to go, but we will never know unless we try.
Okay, so what happens again if that thing blows up?
Power. Explosion. Too much. Director's duty. Keep the lights on.
Alright, well, we got that out of the way. It looks like we have an elevator. Is this the right way? I typically do this in a lot of video games. Come on. Let's see if we go this way. Oh, this is exactly where we were. Okay. So never mind, we were being a little stupid. But we're smart now. I can't even jump or dash. Oh. There is fall damage, in case you were curious. I completely forgot about that. That is my bad. But we will quickly find some health. Well, I shouldn't say quickly. But we will find some health, we will recover, we will not die just due to that. So let's go ahead, unlock this, and get ourselves a new mod. Now, is this going to be useful or not? That's a big question. Energy recovery. Actually, let's take a look at that. I think that's a personal mod. Energy recovery mod. Health. We're gonna hold off. That might be like the next mod that we do.
Hey, are you new? Go talk with Chief Marish in the security booth. He's in charge here.
Don't tell me what to do. I'm in charge of you. Witch. Just kidding, she's not a witch. At least it's not as far as I'm aware. Alright. Let's see. But we got more abilities we can upgrade. So we have 4. We can unlock 2. Personal mod. Wow. We have to use a lot of points. We're gonna do... Those are 3. Oh, and that's just 2. So we'll do that. And we'll do explosives. Basic enemy, large enemies, large objects. So we're probably gonna avoid melee and do everything else. Astral construct. We can construct a new gun eventually. Which actually, speaking of, at this point, is there anything that we're just not gonna straight up use, like stuff that's like a downgrade? So -5, -5. We'll deconstruct. Because now that I'm thinking about it, I don't remember if there is upgrades to these. So for now, we will get rid of some of these that are not very useful. So 16 and 17, we'll get rid of 16. 24, 21, 17, get rid of that. 20, 26, 20. Is there anything else I mean, I have duplicates of 5, 5, 21, 24. Okay, so we'll leave it at that for now, just in case there is. Well, if there's not, then oh well. Let's hold off on going anywhere else up until we talk to Arish. Arish?
Man! Hey! Chief Arish, FBC Security. Should you be in a safe room?
I like how nobody's like actively stopping me though. Like you people have never seen me before, but I can run around pretty openly and freely. Talk about not doing a great job as security.
They all have HRAs. We're on the same side.
My name is Jessie Faden. I'm here to perform the directorial override to get the lockdown lifted.
Yeah, Chief Arish, FBC Security. I'm just... Oh, hang on, you're the new director. It's a pleasure. Ma'am.
Let's skip the formalities, please.
Right. Faden. Ma'am. Look, as you can probably tell, it's a bit of a shit show down here. We've been holding our ground, but whatever's gotten into our buddies hasn't wrecked the coolant pumps and the power converters. And this seat keeps overheating. My crews keep getting shot before they have a chance to make it.
Yeah, we can't see him.
Sorry. Euro jargon. It's what we call the power plant. You know, the power thing. Salvador, head of security, asked me to protect it in case of an attack. So what's inside is dangerous. Dr. Darling says no.
Darling, he's here?
No, it came down a few days ago, before everything went to hell. He was out, smelled like a barman. He was ranting about vulnerabilities and how he only had one large-scale HRA, but that he needed it somewhere else. Still, at least he gave us these personal HRAs before he left. Hey, did I mention that he was parents close?
Huh.
Darling knew his was coming.
Listen, I love playing 20 questions as much as the next guy, but we have got to get our water and electrical systems repaired before this meeting closes. I'll have my guys open the doors out of here for you.
I'll take care of it. You stay and keep this away from the plant if you can.
Yes. Call out. Let's catch it. Listen, the radio's not working, so if you find my boss Salvador out there, please ask him for plans. I'm sure he will have one by now.
I'll keep an eye out for him.
He sure has a lot of faith in his boss.
And now we actually get to see the guy.
When the converters and coolant pumps are working again,
Never
we
mind.
should be able to get this baby back down.
Game is really bugging out today. We will deal with all
I
that
should be
later.
going.
Right. You gotta lock down the lift.
So we came from not this way. We might do 1 or 2 episodes for now, take a little bit of a break, and then come back to it. That's the game plan. Just because I'm feeling myself get a little tired and kind of losing energy and momentum. So Okay, do we want to go lefty or righty? Coolant pumps, energy converters, central maintenance control room. So we'll go this way because it seems like there's less over here. I think there should be... Bink. Bonk. I remember when I was first playing this, I was like, what the fuck? Because it felt pretty endless, but also I just don't know if I was just not in the right headspace. Because I remember when I first played this, I was home alone, my parents were out of town, it was like 11 o'clock, and because I got this game after work one day, and I was like, yes! I mean, I pre-ordered Control. I didn't pre-order any of the deluxe editions because I didn't know, and I kick myself for that every single time I think about this game. But yeah, I had some memories with it, and then I had to put it down because of being tired, and then I came back, and then the work stuff came up, and it just became like such a pain in the ass situation. And if you hear screaming from my parents, I apologize. They're fucking annoying. Can we kill them from here? Oh, that did not work it out at all in my favor. Okay, so we have to throw this guy up there, and then cool, we killed all the rangers, so that's a side quest done. Did I not it? There we go. Alright. God damn it, motherfucking bitch. Also doesn't help that I'm hearing screaming in the background, so... Not from the game, but from my house situation. I can't wait to move out. If only I had a job that gave me more money so I could do it a lot faster. That is the biggest struggle that I run into every single day. Alright, I wonder... It's probably going to make me redo this, even though this went by pretty smoothly, all things considered. Nope. I guess I fucked that up. Is it going to make me do it again? No. Alright, cool. I remember that I did some hard work, but not all of the hard work. Okay, so that is also open. So again... Oh. Let's see here. Oh, what the fuck? Game didn't even tell me. That's not too bad. Okay, let's heal up a little bit. What the fuck? There we go. Now we do what we need to do. Alright, things are being cleansed. Now let's try going that way that we could have gone and decide not to go. Good job, Jesse. I am proud of you. I say I'm proud, but like that means anything. This is where we're supposed to throw away the trash, I think. And we can't get up there yet. I think that's just like a general side quest. Let's see. There we go.
Breaking some environmental regulations on waste disposal, but if that's what Ahti wants, and I'll get it done.
Let's see if we can hit it from here. We just... So that's going to be a big no. A big I could, but I don't think the game's going to register it because it was not actively targeted. Let's see if from back here, like downtown, if we can make this shot. Again, we're too precise. If we just go straight for it. Okay, so I think I was not giving the game the respect of I have a powerful shot, which doesn't need me to overcompensate for it, like typically a game would ask me to do. There should be like another one or two around here. Also, I wonder if we can... I forgot how... Okay. Now that we can remember how to dash, I wonder if I can get over there now. Because I don't think I'm supposed to be able to, but... I like to try to do things when I want to do them. Oh, no, the game's just not going to let me. Fine, fine game. I will respect your rules for now. Really? Really? Game. We're just going to chuck that up. Grab that piece of lore. Is there anything else? Okay. Boop. Health recovery. Thank you, game, for not grabbing what I was looking at. Alright, I think that should be it for down here. I think it's really just throwing those in. We should be all fine and dandy, but we'll see. I definitely know we have more. I just don't know where more is at. Did I thought I already interacted with this thing. Are you kidding me? Can't wait for this to be what we picked up. Okay, so we have like maybe one more. Let's try to take a look, see where it fell. Also, gotta love when you become an object. Actually, I wonder if we can get up there. Oops. I keep forgetting that like dash is B, although that's like a pretty typical dash button. I don't know why that's so hard for my brain to wrap my head around. Alright. That's not it, is it? No, these are just regular ass barrels, not green glowing barrels. So, just want to double check that they're not down here, which it does not look like. So that means we can get to move back up the stairs. Okay. And I know I chucked a lot at the ceiling, so I would have thought that they'd be all around here, but it does not seem to be the case. I just want to make sure I didn't like leave something back here. Or that they didn't leave something back there, not that I did. I'm not that powerful. Let's see. Let's see. Where did it go? Where did it go? I have no idea where it went. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, you always track your target. And you always pay attention to where things are going and not just throw shit willy-nilly. Because I saw the game was bugging out and I wanted to be cool and thought this would be better for me. And guess what? It's not. Man, this game is really bugging out today. Like, holy shit. I don't ever remember running into this many bugs when I first played. Well, I guess either my first or second time playing, even though the first time I did beat the game, because I had to restart because I was like, I don't know what the fuck is going on. I don't remember how to play. Do. Let's see. Yeah, because I would imagine it about like right here. Let's listen to this real quick while I think.
Lead researcher of the parakinesiology discovery of true omega paranatural entities. Darling refused to allocate me the budget or resources. Matters into my own hands. Let us return with the proof I need to convince them.
Yeah, again, I'm not seeing anything. Once it is up there, that's my thinking, that we're supposed to be able to get up there and it'll kind of connect through. Because they're also showing something up there. So, why would they show that if that's not related? I can't just like simply drop this, unfortunately. At least as far as I'm aware. Uh-oh. There we go. Haha, I knew it. I just wasn't being talented enough. No? Nothing's actually up here? Feel like something is awry. Coolant pumps. Man, can I let this go? Probably not.